Viomi Nano-in-1 Tabletop Water Purifier. Installation Gutty. Installation Tools Preparation. Unboxing Checking. Three-way valve connection. Loosen the screws on the three-way fitting. Thread the nut over the pipe. Fully insert the water tube into the root of the three-way ball valve. Ensure the tube is inserted to the position indicated by the arrow on the screen and keep it stationary. While tightening the securing nut of the three-way fitting, keep the tube firmly in place at the root of the three-way ball valve and ensure it does not slip out. Tighten the securing nut with spanner all the way to the last thread, otherwise, it may result in the risk of the tube coming loose. Three-way valve connection. Close the tap water valve and drain any remaining water. Use a spanner to remove the tap water supply tube from tap water angle valve. Check and confirm that the seal inside the three-way fitting is in good condition. Connect the inlet three-way valve to the tap water angle valve. Tighten the internal threads of the three-way fitting. Connect the tap water supply tube to the upper part of the inlet three-way valve. Main unit installation. Remove the water outlet and inlet plugs. Insert the pressure gauge into the inlet water pipe. Open the three-way ball valve. Check the inlet water pressure. If the inlet water pressure exceeds 0.4 megapascal, a pressure-reducing valve must be installed. Thread the inlet tube through the hole and place it on the tabletop. Pressure-reducing valve installation. Cut the inlet tube in the middle with a cutter. Connect the pressure-reducing valve to the tube following the Allow as correct direction. Insert the remaining clip. If the inlet water pressure is between 0.1 - 0.4 MPa, a pressure-reducing valve is not required. If the inlet water pressure is below 0.1 megapascal, the unit will enter low pressure protection mode, and the water pressure must be increased to 0.1 - 0.4 MPa. Product installation. Rotate the nano filter counterclockwise by approximately 90 degrees and pull it straight out. Rotate the CB filter counterclockwise by approximately 90 degrees and pull it straight out. Rotate it clockwise freely by approximately 180 degrees, then place it into the upper nanofilter housing. After it descends, rotate it clockwise by approximately 90 degrees to install. Rotate the nanofilter clockwise freely by approximately 180 degrees, then place it into the lower CB filter housing. After it descends, rotate it clockwise by approximately 90 degrees to install. Open the tap water valve and three-way ball valve. Important note: there must be no water leakage between the ball valve and the water tube connection. Plug in the power supply and press the power button located on the lower right side of the machine. Press the water drop button to start. It will automatically activate the default flushing mode and the duration for flushing is 10 minutes. After rinsing is completed, return both filters to their original factory positions. Rotate the CB filter counterclockwise by approximately 90 degrees and pull it straight out. Rotate the nano filter counterclockwise by approximately 90 degrees and pull it straight out. Rotate it clockwise freely by approximately 180 degrees, then return it to the upper nanofilter housing. After it descends, rotate it clockwise by approximately 90 degrees to install. Rotate the CB filter clockwise freely by approximately 180 degrees, then return it to the lower CB filter housing. After it descends, rotate it clockwise by approximately 90 degrees to install. After putting on the lid, it is ready for normal use.